Hello everyone and welcome back to Walks to Unwind, the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk series. Picking up from approximately where we left off the last time, this cute little private little bay. Let's see what we can see. One of the things we haven't done is ask all of you, and hopefully by the time this video goes out I have more viewers because right now it's going a little slow. That's okay, it'll grow. But I'm curious to know, have you ever been to Victoria? Do you used to live in Victoria? Do you have some memories of Victoria? Anything you want to know about Victoria? Put your comments and questions below, and I'll see if I can help you out answering some questions. Let's go see what we can see. It's a little beach area here. Probably just walk along the shoreline because there's some people sitting on the beach, and we want to respect their privacy. So once again, though, this always fascinates me, is the size of some of these logs on these beaches. Quite something. It's obviously been here a while because it is solid in the gravel. Oh, look what we got here. We have ourselves a Canada Goose. This mind you, that's where we came from. And it's the direction we're heading in. This way over there. That's the Ogden Point out there. That's the direction we're heading. Once again, lots of rocks along this walk. Let's head down here where we're right on the water here. Again, the water is incredibly clear today. I don't know if you can see him, but there's a Canada Goose out there. Silhouette. He's doing his Canada Goose when they're in the water. Do they swim? Do they paddle? Do they float? How would you describe that? It's not a walk to unwind. What would you say that goose is doing? It's definitely relaxing. So we're heading that direction. There's a lot more people over there. I have to respect their privacy, but let's see what we can find here. Got a couple of dogs run by. I don't know where their owners are. Oh, yeah, they've taken off from their owner. I just pointed to show him where his dogs were. There goes one. He's going. Their dog's taken off. One came back, the other one's taken off. He's going for it. Yeah. Oh, he's going for it. He's taking off. Boy, he loves the rocks. So he's gone all the way out to the other point where we started from. So we're coming up on the 7.5-minute mark. So on that note, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'm going to keep going actually. I'm going to film one more segment for today. And then we'll come back maybe when the weather's a little bit different, but the weather seems to be warming up. Beautiful last day of March. So I hope everyone has a nice, calm, relaxing day. Rest of your day. Breathe. Let all that stress go. Gotta remember that life's too precious to be stressed all the time. So we just use these types of moments just to escape, clear your mind.